Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen appliance that promises to revolutionize your rice cooking experience, the CUCKOO Twin Pressure Rice Cooker. This isn't just any rice cooker, it's a 10-cup uncooked, 20-cup cooked powerhouse with a sophisticated dual-pressure system, a generous 16 menu options, and some thoughtful design touches that aim to make rice preparation effortless and delicious. Let's start with the headline feature, the 16 versatile modes. This rice cooker is designed to handle far more than just plain white rice. You've got options for GABA rice, which is fantastic for health-conscious cooks, veggie rice for added nutrition and flavor, and even a dedicated steam function. This versatility means you can prepare a wide array of dishes, from perfect fluffy basmati to nutrient-rich brown rice, all at the touch of a button. The sheer number of presets suggests a level of precision that many other rice cookers simply can't match, adapting to different grains and preparation styles. Next up, capacity. This is a large rice maker and warmer, boasting a 20-cup cooked capacity. This is ideal for larger households, dinner parties, or even meal prepping for the week. If you're frequently hosting or have a big family, you won't have to worry about making multiple batches. This substantial volume ensures everyone gets a generous serving. Now, let's talk about the twin pressure aspect. This is where the CUCKOO truly shines. You have the option to choose between high pressure and non-pressure cooking. High pressure is excellent for achieving that perfectly sticky, chewy texture that's ideal for sushi or congee. On the other hand, the non-pressure setting delivers a lighter, fluffier rice, perfect for those who prefer a more separated grain. This dual functionality is a game-changer for rice aficionados, allowing you to tailor the cooking process to your exact preference for different types of rice. Safety and convenience are also clearly priorities with this CUCKOO model. The automatic safe steam release is a crucial feature. It ensures that pressure is released gently and quietly, eliminating any sudden bursts of steam. This makes the entire cooking process safer, especially in busy kitchens, and more user-friendly. No more worrying about scalding yourself when your rice is ready. The inner pot is nonstick, which is always a welcome feature. This means less sticking, easier cleaning, and a more pleasant experience overall. Rice is notoriously sticky, so a good non-stick coating is essential for hassle-free cleanup. Accompanying the cooker are the essential accessories, a product manual to help you navigate all those menu options, a rice spatula for scooping, and a rice measuring cup to ensure you're using the right proportions. These small additions are often overlooked but contribute to a complete and ready-to-use package. What makes this CUCKOO stand out from the crowd? It's the combination of sophisticated technology, thoughtful design, and versatility. The dual pressure system offers a level of control that most home cooks have only dreamed of. The extensive menu options cater to diverse culinary needs and health preferences. And the large capacity ensures you can feed a crowd without breaking a sweat. However, no product is perfect. For some, the sheer number of menu options might feel a bit overwhelming at first, and it might take some experimentation to find your favorite settings for specific rice types. Also, as with many high-tech kitchen appliances, the price point might be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. While it offers a lot of functionality, it is an investment. In conclusion, the CUCKOO Twin Pressure Rice Cooker CRP-ST1009FG is a premium appliance that delivers on its promises. If you're serious about your rice, whether for everyday meals or for special occasions, and you appreciate the ability to customize your cooking, this rice cooker is definitely worth considering. It's a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly machine that can elevate your home cooking. Link in the description.